guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm not in the best position. Okay. Welcome back! Once again, this is an impromptu video, so it's not going to be on schedule. I think nothing has been on schedule lately, so I think we'll be fine. But yeah, today we're unboxing the June Look Fantastic box. I got everything matching and everything. The nails were coincidental, the lips were not. I like to set a theme for myself, if you know what I mean. Let's just start opening this up, because I'm really excited. Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. Oh my god, that's so deep. Let's put the leaflet aside. We have, of course, June's L. That magazine smell. Oh, let's break that seal. Okay, I didn't break the seal as much as I just tore up the paper. Ooh. Interesting. Let's start with this really funny one. So this is from Real Chemistry. It's for Supple Luminous Glow Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. This is interesting. It's weird because it comes in one of those like juice packets. It's kind of like a sample, but like a big sample. It has a lot of product inside actually. Ooh. Oh, smells amazing. And it's very lightweight. It sinks into skin super fast, I think. But it does leave a very luminous glow. Oh, it smells amazing. I can't stop smelling it. I haven't tried much from this brand, Real Chemistry, but this sounds exciting. I don't know if the full size is still in like a little packet as this one. Next up, we have the Rituals, because Rituals have either recently or are going to, but I think have already launched at Look Fantastic. This is the Ritual of Tao, bringing peace and tranquility into your life. It's a be kind to your skin body cream with organic white lotus and Yi Yi Ren. I think that's how you read that. I love Rituals. I haven't had a chance to try most of their products, to be honest, but the ones I did, I loved. It smells amazing. I know I'm saying that about everything, but it does. It smells like fresh, but a little bit sugary, a little bit sweet. It's like a summer cream, so it's one of those lotions that is sort of thin, so it's not a body butter at all. It's really just more, it's not even a lotion because it is creamy, so it's between a lotion and a body butter, if you know what I mean. It's an actual cream. I don't know what I'm saying. And it is very lightweight. The scent is also very summery. Definitely evokes like spring summery weather, and it's just really, really gorgeous. And this is a hefty little size as well. It's really good for traveling. You know, sometimes for traveling, people do like really tiny body creams, and I'm like, this is not my face, it's my body. I'm gonna put it all over. This is gonna last one day, or not even. And this is a hefty size, which I like. I love putting on scented body creams before going to bed, because then the bed smells amazing, and every time you like move, you get a whiff of the scent, and I love that. I just love that. Next up, we have something that I already have full size, but I haven't actually tried. It's on my like wait list. I have so much skincare, so I have the active skincare that I'm wearing. I have things that are like just on cue to be worn. And this is on cue actually. This is from Luminous. It's their Superfood Facial Wash Prebiotic Gel Cleanser. I have, however, tried their day and night cream from this range and their oil, and they're absolutely amazing. They're super nourishing. They're not for oily skin at all, so they're for normal to dry skin. They really replenish moisture and just leave your skin really nourished. I think that's the better word to use, really nourished. If it follows the same definition, then it's gonna be, you know, not stripping and something that is apt for dry skin. It smells like the rest of the line as well, which I think is a good smell. It's a very like earthy smell, which I think makes sense as well with the type of line that it is, because it is a superfood. I had to try this on my face and kind of see if it's drying or not, but from the ingredient list and from what I know of the other products from this range, it's gonna be really good for dry and normal skin, and those type of cleansers that don't really leave your skin tight or anything. It's sulfate free, which is great. I feel like everyone's going sulfate free, and I'm so here for it. I'm hyped. We have another hefty one from Vita Liberata. This is their self-tanning gradual lotion with marula oil. I'm not a very much of a tanner kind of person, just because I'm really lazy and I'm really pale, so I have to be super extra careful not to leave any marks or anything. I'm also really hairy, so it's very complicated to tan for me without leaving any marks. And when I do go for tanning, it's usually on my legs, because my legs are kind of whiter than the rest of my body, sadly. And I go for gradual tan sort of stuff because honestly I don't really want to be tan, I just want to be even. All skin tones, body and face, and it's organic technology, which is weird. I didn't think organic technology had sort of self-tanning things. Oh, it smells good. It doesn't smell like SelfTanner at the moment. I'm gonna apply a little bit to feel, maybe this is a mistake. I'm gonna have like a patch on my hand. I'm gonna apply a little bit to my hand. Oh, it's creamy. It's kind of a gel creamy type. So far, it doesn't have that horrible self-tan scent. By the end of the video, I'll let you know if that sort of develops. Moreover, we have this that caught my eye right away, and only says Studio 10, and it's sort of I'm gonna open it. I think this might be like a metallic liquid lipstick, or it might be an eyeshadow. I'm gonna open it and just see the texture sort of. I think this might be eyeshadow. Liquid Foil Radiance. This should be written here, but it's not. So it's a crease-resistant eyeshadow. Hydrates and blends seamlessly on your lid, and you'll fall in love with it. Aww. It reminds me sort of the Stila Magnificent Metals. I think that's what they're called. Eyeshadow pops, glitters. I don't know the name, but you know, I think you know what I'm saying. It's a little less pigmented and more like a sheer and then just the glitters. I think this is more like a top coat sort of thing. So this is from, I don't know how to say this. I think it's Madara SOS Instant Moisture and Radiance Hydra Mask. Ooh, I thought this was gonna be a tinted cream because of the thingy, and I was like, yeah, it's not gonna be my shade. But no, it's a Hydra Mask, which I'm excited about. This is also an organic skincare brand. Oh, it's like pink and creamy, very creamy. It kind of has like a smoothing texture that leaves skin like plump. I think this is one of those hydrating masks where you just let it sink in and then remove excess with a tissue or something. Yeah, it's a wipe off or leave on treatment when skin feels thirsty, dehydrated, and stressed. That's my skin like 24/7, so I'm definitely gonna make use of this. It says here in the back like 15 minutes to infinity. You can use it for however long you want. You can use it as a leave-in overnight mask, or you can just wipe off the excess afterwards and put your makeup on top. And finally, we have something that I've never tried because it's not really for my hair type, but this is fun. It's from Christoph Robin. I love their stuff. They have amazing stuff for dry hair, and they're silicone free. Cleansing Volumizing Paste, pure Wrestle Clay and Rose Extracts. It smells amazingly like rose, like really intoxicating like rose, and it's sort of a mud mask for your scalp. And it really, because it's like a clay mask, it will volumize your roots. So if you don't have a lot of volume on your roots, this will be excellent for me because I'm, you know, I have volume everywhere. This is definitely not the type of product I would use. I actually like to clay my roots every once in a while just for a little extra purifying effect because I have psoriasis. So if you never tried to clay your roots, this is definitely a product that you'll enjoy trying, especially for the first time because it's such a weird experience. But it is very, very good for your scalp, and also if you need a volume again. And that's pretty much it. This was a very, very good box, a very rich and filled box with really big sizes. So it's one that you're not going to want to miss. I'm going to link it down below so you can buy directly. Once again, you can buy the box as like a one-off, or you can subscribe to their subscription service. Yeah, and and get the box every single month in the mail. We have a little sneak peek of the next box, and it's the Kerasa's Reflection Multi-Protecting Shampoo for very sensitized, color, treat, or highlighted hair. I love this range, by the way. I used to use it before I went silicone free, and it was the best. Their chroma rich mask is just amazing. Yeah, that's it. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the channel for more, and don't forget to click the little bell button so you know every single time I upload. If you're a newcomer and you don't really know me from other stuff, make sure to browse through all my other videos. I think you'll like them. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Bye.